AI/ML model using Python program for education sector, improvement, point of view DNN network mode and random forest, K-fold, model using Plotly with dark background in vibrant color. Bar chart explanation of the video, AI-powered education growth dashboard. This video is a comprehensive AI-powered dashboard designed for the education sector, created by Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. It combines deep learning and machine learning, DNN plus random forest, with real-world educational insights. The dashboard provides decision support visualizations for educators, administrators, and policymakers. Top-level overview. The dashboard is organized into 4 key visual zones, all presented with a Plotly dark background for clarity and modern aesthetics. Keycap 1 top left, DNN network, education metrics. Diagram type, deep neural network architecture. Purpose, predict educational outcomes, pass, needs improvement, fail. Input features. Attendance rate. Assignment score. Test score. Participation. Behavior rating. Homework completion. Learning hours. Parental involvement. Hidden layers. 2 hidden layers, H1N1, N6 and H2N1, N4, simulate internal learning and pattern extraction. Output layer. Final predictions, pass, needs improvement, and fail. Use case, automatically predicts student outcomes based on key performance factors. Helps in early intervention and personalized learning. Keycap 2 top right, K-fold accuracy, random forest. Chart type, bar chart plus trend line. Algorithm, random forest with 5-fold cross-validation. Accuracy per fold. Fold 1, 77.5%. Fold 2, 77.5%. Fold 3, 92.5%. Fold 4, 85%. Fold 5, 77.5%. Use case, helps data scientists and educators validate model robustness across different data splits. Fold 3 performs best, indicating higher predictive power on that data slice. Bottom left, teacher growth report. Chart type, stacked bar chart. Criteria evaluated. Subject knowledge. Class management. Student engagement. Technology usage. Feedback score. Teachers. T1 to T5 evaluated across 5 performance dimensions. Use case, enables performance appraisal, growth tracking, and training focus areas for educators. Bottom right, student growth report. Chart type, stacked bar chart. Aspects evaluated. Academic performance. Participation. Homework submission. Attendance. Discipline. Students. S1 to S5 individually assessed. Use case, visualizes multidimensional student development. Helps mentors identify areas needing support, example S1 has a drop in discipline, S4 excels in participation. Direct hit key benefits for education stakeholders. Stakeholder how it helps. Top management strategic planning, institutional performance benchmarking. Principals teaching effectiveness, curriculum planning. Teachers student-specific intervention plans, growth tracking. Students/parents transparent performance feedback across key domains. AI teams validation of ML models and DNN pipelines. Brain AI components in action. Deep neural network, DNN, equals outcome prediction from complex student data. Random forest, K-fold, equals model accuracy analysis for robust prediction. Stacked bars equals teacher and student multidimensional growth reports. Desktop computer visual design and technology. Developed using Python Plotly, graph objects plus subplots. UI theme, dark mode. Colorful, interactive, and visually distinct for educational analytics. Thank you.